everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very delicious chicken recipe, and it's going to be a bell pepper chicken. I'm going to use different color of bell pepper. You can call it Simla Mirch or Capsicum. I'm going to use yellow color, orange color and red color. I'm going to wash it and I'm going to cut it into small thin slices. And if you like to prefer green one, that will be fine too. And the chicken meat I'm using is a thigh meat. It's a boneless and skinless. It's a 7 pound of thigh chicken meat. I cut it into small pieces. And then I'm going to use tadka. It's a 2 cup tadka. And how do I make it tadka? Please check it out the description below for the link. In order to make a delicious chicken, regardless you make non-veg or vegetarian dish, please follow this link and you will like it. Then half cup will be tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon cumin seed, then 1 tablespoon olive oil. Kashmiri mirch is strictly optional, 1 tablespoon, and kasuri methi is also strictly optional. I will use 1 tablespoon. And let's get started. Get a krai, and we're going to start gas. And we're going to keep the gas on high. I'm going to use olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. And I'll be using 1 tablespoon. I'll bring cumin seed. We're going to cook like 20 to 30 seconds. Looking good. I'll bring tadka. Our tadka is fully cooked. And we just need to make sure that it's nice and warm. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'm going to bring chicken. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cook it on high gas with open lid for 5 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes on a high gas. Chicken started to change the color. Thigh meat takes a little longer to cook. So now I'm going to bring the tomato sauce. Half cup tomato sauce. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we cook on high gas for another 5 minutes. So keep stirring so it won't get burned. Another 5 minutes cooking on high gas. Altogether, cooking chicken thighs for 10 minutes. Now we're going to bring Kashmiri mirch. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri mirch. And that's going to bring a nice color to our dish. So we're going to mix it well. As you see, the chicken started to change the color. Kashmiri mirch is strictly optional, but if you haven't tried, please try it. Look, it's such a beautiful color. As I mentioned earlier, chicken thighs takes a little longer to cook. So now I'm going to bring the gas on to medium-low, which is number 3. Cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. Cooking for exactly 15 minutes on medium-low flame. After 5 minutes, I opened it, I stirred it. Then another 5 minutes, I did the same. Look at beautiful color. That's due to our Kashmiri mirch. Chicken is fully cooked. It's nicely cooked. I'm going to bring the gas on high and we're going to cook it for additional 5 minutes. So the gravy gonna get thickened. Then we'll bring the bell pepper, capsicum. And I'll bring another fry pan. And I'm going to bring olive oil. Like a 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the pan start to heat up, I'll bring the bell pepper, the capsicum or Simla mirch. And we're going to saute them like 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want to overcook it. After 2-3 minutes, we'll bring this one into chicken. So mix it well so it can coat, and we're going to saute them like 2 to 3 minutes. We want to keep our bell pepper fresh. Cooking exactly for 3 minutes. I'm going to turn off the gas. This is all we need. And now I'm going to bring on the back burner. Get my gloves on. I'll bring the chicken. We'll bring the bell pepper. Mix it well. Our chicken with the bell pepper is all done. You want to keep the bell pepper firm. If it gets mushy, then they don't taste well. This way, they stand firm. When you take a bite, you feel the crispiness and it tastes really well. So our dish is ready. You always can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, parantha, and best of all, with the rice pulao. And if you like this dish, like always, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.